Welcome to StoreRobo. In this video, I'll walk you through how to migrate all your Shopify orders from one store to another using the StoreRobo Import-Export suite. The smart way to rebrand, expand, or consolidate without losing a single order. Sounds like a big job? Don't worry. We've simplified it into just 2 easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, head to the Shopify store you want to migrate from. Install and open the StoreRobo Import-Export Suite app. Now, go to the Export tab, select Shopify CSV, and click Proceed. From the list, choose Orders as your data type. You'll now see an option to expand the order fields. Here, you can choose to export all columns or pick specific fields, like order status, created date, shipping info, or even metafields and risk data. Just a quick tip. If you're migrating everything, just select all columns and skip the filters. But if you want to fine-tune your export, for example, export only orders created after June 13th, 2024, you can apply a filter right here. Once your filters and fields are set, choose where to store your export file so you can import it to another store later. You can send it directly to an FTP SFTP server. For that, provide your FTP credentials here, or you can download it as a CSV to your local system. Let's go with the Download CSV option. To start your export, click Export, and StoreRobo will do its thing. Once it's done, your CSV file is ready. Download it. Now that you've got your exported file, let's move to the new store. Install and open the StoreRobo Import-Export suite here as well. Head to the Import tab and upload the same CSV file you just exported. If the file's on an FTP SFTP server, just select the same profile and folder you used earlier. Use the Preview option to double-check the file before importing. This helps catch any formatting issues ahead of time. Under Select Data Type, choose Orders and click Upload. If some orders already exist in the new store, enable the Update Existing Records option. This ensures the data is updated instead of duplicated. Now hit Import and relax. Depending on how many orders you're migrating, this may take a few minutes. StoreRobo will notify you by email once it's done. When the import is complete, head over to your Orders page, and there you have it. All your orders successfully transferred to your new store. And that's all it takes to migrate your Shopify orders like a pro with StoreRobo. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Shopify tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments or reach out to our support team.